Hi, welcome to Play With Your Food, and I just got home from work, so hungry, lazy, tired, and yeah, just all of the above, I guess. But I guess in this episode, I'm gonna go and show y'all what I usually cook when I'm just not feeling it, but still wanting something satisfying and yummy, and something that I can cook like in 15 minutes. So let me go ahead and change first, because dry cleaning is rather expensive, unless somebody's out there is gonna GoFundMe. Sure, I'll take it. Just remember, GoFundMe, Mark. Dry cleaning. Lovely. Perfect world right there. Anyway, let me go and change and come join me. Let's go and play with our food. Dry cleaning. All right, so I'm finally comfortable. I'm out of that monkey suit. So yes, today we are going to make something that's super fast, super easy, yet very satisfying and very yummy. I don't usually keep a lot of groceries in my house because first, the grocery is like super close. I can always run over there and if I need anything specific. Second is that whenever I stock on groceries, I usually forget about them and then they just go bad. So I really don't like wasting food. Two things I always have though, however. I always have rice and pasta. So rice and pasta, it's very neutral, it's very satisfying. And like for rice, I can always make like rice pilaf or risotto. On pasta, I always find something in my fridge where I can just toss the pasta with. So today we are actually gonna make a pasta dish. And if you're gonna slash the time when I boiled the pasta, this dish would actually take you less than 10 minutes to make. So let's go ahead and do this. Dry cleaning. So I have my pan preheating and we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And then we are also gonna add a tablespoon of butter. So I like to mix a little bit of oil that has a high smoking point with the butter. That way it helps the butter not to burn right away because of the milk solid. Let go. Because of the milk solids, and you get the flavor as well. And then we can add our onions, and then we're just gonna sweat this. Make sure that every onions are coated with butter. And you can add a little bit of salt as well, just to help it sweat. All right, and then about halfway through, you can add your garlic. So we'll just toss this around until the onions are completely translucent. So after sweating and once the onions are translucent, we are going to add our crab sticks because real crabs are expensive. So we're just gonna go and toss this around and just make sure that all the crabs are covered with butter. And yeah, I guess this is my other staple. I always have these, and as a matter of fact, I have 5 packs of crab sticks in my fridge. I mean, they're tasty, they're flavorful, they're easy to cook. I don't know if they're healthy, but yeah, whatever. Once the crab sticks are cooked, and you can see they're kind of separated and it looks like little strings of spaghetti, you can add your half and half. And for this recipe, you can use cream either way. I just used half and half because it's not as thick compared to cream when it's cooked. So I just prefer it that way. And then we're gonna go swirl this around. And then we're gonna add our sriracha sauce. Depends on how spicy you want it. But if you watched the first Biden and Trump debate earlier, then you are allowed for more. Make it as spicy as you want. Make you feel warm and fuzzy inside and forget about it happened. And then we're gonna swirl this around some more. And then finally, for the last flavor, we're gonna add some thyme.
And thyme is actually one of my favorite herbs. I like to put it with everything. I don't know, I guess I'll just love it. And then once this is ready, we can add our pasta, which is just regular pasta. You can use spaghetti, fettuccine, ziti, macaroni, whichever y'all prefer. I just happened to have this and it was on sale. So we're using the egg noodle pasta then. And then just swirl this around. And then one thing I always do is that whenever I cook pasta, I always keep some pasta water. So this would actually help with the sauce, and it is so rich with starch, it's actually going to go and thicken the sauce as well. And we'll just swirl that around some more.
And then we are going to season this with some salt and some pepper. And then just give it a good mix. And we are almost done. Oops. And we are almost, why do they keep on jumping out of my pan? So just turn the heat off. And then for the final touch, we are going to add some green onions. Then give that a good mix and we are done. So we are ready to plate. So just for some quick plating, because we are not cavemen, we are just going to put that in the middle. And then maybe some more crab, so just a little bit. And then we're going to drizzle this with some olive oil. And then finally, we are going to garnish this with some more green onions. And there you have it, a quick 10-minute pasta dish for a busy person, and enjoy. Alright, so this is my go-to pasta dish, and I told y'all it's gonna take like less than 10 minutes, and I guess I have a lot of crab sticks. I always buy those, it's addicting. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed and learned a lot from this episode, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next episode, and thank you for watching Play With Your Food.